Welcome back guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk only about BTC. Let's dive in. Guys, I want to show you just the basic classic metrics to understand at what market stage we're now. Because a lot of people think we already passed the top of the top. So it was a end of cycle, you know. And for me personally, we are just not at the beginning. So just be real. It's not a beginning of the cycle because I always told you, basically, the bull run starts on the next day, basically when we form the last lower low or the last higher low. And after that, we start build the structure, the uptrend structure. And the last higher low was around FTX collapse for BTC. And we start to build the uptrend structure, correction to the global structure on a weekly, and we start to build uptrend structure. So when the people, start to talk about a bull run when we hit the new all-time high. So when we pass the new all-time high, it means, yes, we break a global structure, and only now we start to build a new structure, and this is the beginning of the bull run. So I don't understand the logic. So here, this like 400% will not count, and this is just a time to invest in BTC because of by some metrics, by some ideas of the experts, this is the beginning of the uptrend, the bull run. Yes, it doesn't work like this one. So we form a last high low, break of a local structure on a weekly, and build the uptrend structure. So this was around here, the bottom, and we changed the trend. So this is how the cycle starts, not when we hit the new all-time high. I don't think so. The 100K, it was the all-time high. I already explained it to you. I add my notifications. I wish to see the retest 74K. I wish to see that retest because for me, it will be much better. Retest it now and bounce higher to the new all-time high in April, May, maybe, or worst case scenario, of course, it can be the consolidation here between the 94 and 84, and after that, sweep and form something like this one in summer. Yes, it will be the bad scenario because we will waste the time. But of course, if in this range, the BTC dominance will go finally down, yes, it can be the good one scenario for alts. So my conclusion, guys, like we will, I think we will see the new all-time high for BTC, April, May, or autumn 2025. I don't know, but I don't think so. The round number, it's all-time high like 110. I can be absolutely wrong. Take a look the local one daily. So yes, this range, like yearly open, monthly, weekly, and even the daily, it's like sooner or later we will bounce or drop to this direction or to this direction. So the bullish target is yearly open is 93K 486, and the bearish, of course, I wish this is what I would like to see, this sweep and going higher. So this is a way, but now I'm not open any position. We got a 1 week more in March, and I think it will be the best scenario to see the 12% drop, bounce, retest the previous. Now it's a previous all-time high, 74K around, and bounce to the new top. About BTC dominance, guys, take a look. We leave the huge week. In many cases, when we leave the huge weak candle, we come back and close to the 50% of this week can be the triangle, and we have to break it out and go into 70%. Maybe I don't believe in the 70% for BTC dominance. Now everything looks like, for me personally, would be good to see this scenario, climb it up to the top. No matter what will happen on price, BTC dominance can go higher even if BTC going down. So just in case, and 63 or 62, 80, for example, it can be the good top for BTC dominance, and we start correction. Yearly open for BTC dominance, now it's 58%. And of course, the sooner or later we will sweep the 54%, this one, or even a little bit higher, this one. So we will sweep it, yes, 54, so we can delete. And the global altcoin season, you remember, around here. I'm not sure now about the 36%, but yes, at least we can test this block like 44. So this will be the time to out of altcoins, you know. Now take a look at just a few metrics. Here, a local one, local daily time frame, the liquidation map. You can use, by the way, the CoinAnk, pretty useful website. So main pain for daily time frame, it's cumulative long liquidation. It's 82,852. This one, max pain, it's going to be the liquidation of 420 million, but it's not a big deal, right? And this is it's on the Binance, by the way, guys. 187 million liquidation, 84 around 85k. So it's a daily. Weekly time frame, guys. Take a look. The max pain is here, 80k. This is what people talk about. So it can be, you know, like 80k local support for now. Is it possible or not? So technically, yes. So we can form something like this one, 70, 80. Maybe it's going to be the main support. Like you can see, the trouble with, you know, with a short position. So more people now in, you know, in longs. So there is almost not a big liquidation for short. It's kind of bad. It's kind of bad, guys. Here's a liquidation heat map. You can track it. Let's, by the way, use the weekly time frame. Check the max pain for liquidation. So here, over, basically not a big liquidations, but under is, yes, 82,650. This liquidity pool is like a main K point, 81k. If we use the monthly time frame, you will be so surprised. Take a look at this one. So I wish to see the, yes, 80k and even more, even lower. This one, 66, is 75. So this is what I would like to see better. But of course, guys, it's not necessary. So we will see these targets. It's just my personal, you know, idea about this targets for BTC, because we still got like 1 month, not 1 month, 1 week more in March. So here, max pain, yes, can be like 80k and support of this level, because under basically even on 3 months liquidation heat map, nothing. Max pain on 3 months liquidation heat map, it's 100k and everything what is over. Next one, guys, take a look at the coin glass. You can find bull market peak indicator sell at the top, and take a look, guys, 0 of 30 indicators signaling us about the top of the market. So just in case, it's a free information, you can double check, you can track the historical data and step by step double check how all of these indicators, it's more about like on-chain indicator, what this indicator shows, you know, no one indicator show us about the top of cycle, bull market peak. So guys, I don't know why the people panic now. I don't know. This is not how the cycle ended. This one, guys, away net unrealized profit. So you can just take a look. This is all chart. Take a look. This is capitulation zone. This is a optimism anxiety. This is a belief denial and a free agreed. So yes, by price we are like in at the top, right? In a free agreed, but indicator not signaling us at the top. So we need to this orange line, test the black line, Bitcoin price. It can be the top of the top. Yearly time frame, the same story. So yes, we come back now to denial, to belief. Bounce it. That's why I wish to see the lower price around here, 73k, and bounce. MVR. Z-score indicator, how to work with that indicator. I already showed you the video about top indicators for BTC. Take a look. We are not even close to the top based on this indicator. So this is how the cycles ended, right? So it was a February 21. This was around December 2020, right? January, February 21, March, April, May. This one. So this was the top. Once again, guys, February, March, April, May, it was the real top for BTC. After that, it just would bounce it in the sweep liquidity in April, October, November 21. That's why I'm count the top of the top. It was a spring 21, not autumn. That's why we're long-term periods in basically downtrend. Now we're in an uptrend. Here was a bottom to buy BTC. So now we're not even close to the top. Bitcoin 200 week moving average heat map. I'm not a fan of this one. Basically, it's showing us at the bottom, right? And like you can see, we are not at the top at the, I don't know, at the red one color on dots on this one. So I think we're still far from the top of the top. P cycle indicator, guys, take a look. It's around should be like 150K. At least Bitcoin P cycle top indicator showing us that the normal target is like 150K. I believe in this target. I'm more conservative with 139K, 140K per BTC, but I don't believe in I don't know, that numbers like 250, 300K for BTC. I don't believe in that numbers. But yes, this is not a top of the top. The price even under 111 line. This one, yearly time frame. Take a look. This is showing us yes, 151 top of the top. So we're now underrated. Rainbow chart, guys. By the way, also the same story. So we're just in this blue zone, and you can track how this indicator perform on history and what does it mean. So I don't know. It's hard to say where exactly will be the top of the top for BTC. But I'm not sure about here 1 million. No, I don't think so. Stock to flow. I don't know. The Plan B it's banned me on Twitter. You know, because for me personally, the stock to flow is just absolutely random. Absolutely random. Random indicator. So it's just showing us now we have to reach like by August 25, 1,300,000 for BTC. Kind of weird. So guys, this was my kind of short analysis for BTC. My local targets. You know, I wish to see the drop one more time on some fear and bounce in the next week, and the new all-time high. Hard to say about the timing. April, May, or most likely the autumn 2025. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what do you think about BTC. If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed you in all of my videos, write me DM, subscribe, change his like button, notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.